Pravassier in the Channel 8 News studio, having way too much fun in my swivel chair here. Thanks for stopping by here at 8newsnow.com on this Thursday. We are putting out warnings about fireworks. It's just a couple of days away that all those volunteer fire stands are going to open up, and it is so dry outside. We've got to really make sure that some warnings get out to the public. The weather is on the mind of a lot of people today because we knew the wind was going to come. What about those clouds, though?
Really kind of an odd day. When was the last time we had clouds here in Las Vegas? So it's allowing us to cool down a bit. I mean, really highs only right now in the upper 80s, lower 90s, so this will probably be the coolest day we'll see in some time to come. So we got a cold front moving through. It's pretty windy out there, not as strong as we thought, although later on tonight as the cold front moves through the area, the winds could pick up. So cool today, highs in the mid 90s, maybe tomorrow as well, upper 90s, and then we get ready for next week, the first full week of July. We're looking at temperatures up near 110 degrees.
All right.
Late next week, and even for the 4th of July, so get ready for that.
Thanks, Darren Miller. Look forward to your forecast today. Also, Cowabunga Bay, one of the premier water parks opening up in the valley, just a couple of weeks away. We'll give you a preview of what the place looks like. Those stories and a lot more coming your way on our news between 4 and 6:30. Hope to see you then.